Hi, this is Goody-Goody training. We are going to learn how to produce laundry bar soap, brown laundry bar soap, and we are going to make use of only 3 chemicals or 3 ingredients. The total volume of oil I'm going to use is 400 grams of palm kernel oil, PKO, 152 grams of water, plain water, and 69 grams of caustic soda. So I'm going to start by measuring our water. I'm starting by measuring our water. I'm going to measure 152 grams of water. grams of water. We will dissolve our caustic soda in it. 152 grams of water. So we are going to measure our caustic soda. I'll go back to 0 on. We'll measure our caustic soda. We're going to use 69 grams of caustic soda. grams. That is 69 grams of caustic soda. And 400 grams of palm kernel oil. I'm going to measure my 400 grams of PKO. 400 grams of PKO. The secret of getting this brown soap brown is the use of only PKO. 400 grams. I have 420, so I'm going to reduce it till I get 400 grams. So I have 400 grams of palm kernel oil. So we are going to start properly. So here now we have our water, plain water, 152 grams of water, 69 grams of caustic soda, and 400 grams of palm kernel oil. So we are going to first of all dissolve our caustic soda in water. Please don't add water to caustic soda. You add caustic soda to water to avoid explosion. So we are going to dissolve this before we add to our oil. So we are dissolving. Please, when you are dissolving your caustic soda, you have to be very careful because it burns a lot. The secret to getting this thing is not adding any other oil to this PKO. That's how you get this particular color. And trust me, this soap foams really well and it hardens very, very well. So we are done dissolving our caustic soda. The next thing we are going to do is to add our lye solution to our oil. So I'm making a very small batch of soap just for the purpose of this video. I used my lye calculator, Saponify lye calculator, to get my formulation. So I've added my lye solution to my oil, and I'll give it a good stir till it mixes very well. I'm not adding any fragrance to it. So I will stir this until it's well mixed before I pour into my mold. And remember that you have to work very fast when you are working with only PKO, palm kernel oil, because it's a hard oil and it solidifies so quickly. So you have to work very fast so that you'll still be able to pour into your mold. So I will stir this till my lye solution is properly mixed. with my oil. So I'll keep stirring. If you want to add any fragrance, it's at this stage that you can now add your fragrance or any color. But yeah, I'm not using any fragrance and I'm not using any color. Our soap has really traced. What we call trace in soap making is when you turn it, or maybe you make a line, you'll be able to see the lines you made. That is trace. You can see a trace of the lines. That means your soap mixture is almost ready. Or when you raise it up, you'll be able to see the trace of the marks you made. So at this point now, our soap is ready to be poured into our mold. And I'll be using this as my mold. It's just an emergency mold. So let me stir a little bit more before pouring. So I'm going to pour my soap into my mold. So after this, we are going to leave this overnight, or leave it for 12 hours or for 24 hours until it solidifies. So that's our soap already poured into our mold. So this recipe can be multiplied to get the quantity of soap you need or you want. Or you can easily make use of the Saponify soap calculator if you actually want to make another batch or make a large quantity. So we are going to leave this to stay for some hours to solidify before we unmold it. So see you at the other side when we unmold the soap.